Rumors have been circulating about Samsung equipping the entire Galaxy S25 lineup with the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset globally. However, we've approached these claims cautiously, tempering expectations to avoid disappointment. Now there's reason to be optimistic. Fresh evidence has surfaced to support these rumors. The international variant of the base Galaxy S25 model, powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, has appeared on the Geekbench benchmark database, as reported by Tarun Vats. This marks the first instance of the international Galaxy S25 model showing up on Geekbench. Previously, only the Korean and U.S. variants had been spotted. Interestingly, a few weeks ago, the international Galaxy S25 Plus variant was listed on Geekbench featuring the Exynos 2500 chip, so it's too early to consider anything fully confirmed. Additionally, the benchmark data reveals that the tested Galaxy S25 device came with 12 gigabytes of RAM. This aligns with rumors suggesting Samsung plans to make 12 gigabytes of RAM standard across all three Galaxy S25 models. Your phone could save your life, but will it? The Galaxy S25 series brings a groundbreaking car crash detection sensor, a feature that could redefine smartphone safety. Hidden within leaked Galaxy S25 files, this advanced technology mirrors the sensors found in the Galaxy S24, Galaxy Z Fold 6, and Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition. But there's a twist. Samsung hasn't confirmed if it's fully enabled. While Android's car crash detection feature, powered by motion sensors and AI, has been a game changer since its debut with Google's Pixel 8 in 2023, the Galaxy S24 and Z Fold 6, despite housing the same sensor, lack active support. Apple already offers a similar feature on iPhone 14 and newer models. Will Samsung follow suit or leave users waiting? The highly awaited Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to launch next month, and fans are buzzing as leaks reveal exciting upgrades in screen quality and durability. The Galaxy S25 Ultra's 6.9-inch QHD Plus screen is a standout feature of Samsung's Ultra series. Reports from Android Authority suggest the phone could hit a peak brightness of an incredible 3,000 nits. This means the screen will be super clear even in bright sunlight, making outdoor use easier than ever before. Samsung is also stepping up durability with next-gen technology. Tipster Ice Universe shared that the S25 Ultra will debut the second-generation Corning Gorilla Armor glass. This advanced glass not only offers stronger protection, but also cuts down on screen glare, making the display even sharper. Together, these improvements take brightness and toughness to the next level. Samsung is getting ready to reveal the Galaxy S25 series at its big Galaxy Unpacked event on January 22nd, 2025. Until now, there wasn't much info on when the phones would be available, but we finally have some updates. Rumors suggest pre-orders for the Galaxy S25 will start on January 24th, just 2 days after the event, and end on February 3rd. Those who pre-order might get their phones as early as February 4th. This schedule is about a week earlier than the Galaxy S24 series, which launched on January 31st this year. It seems like Samsung is speeding things up to stay ahead of the competition. Leaker Yogesh Brar shared the expected specs for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, which include a 6.8-inch QHD LTPO AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, a quad-camera setup featuring a 200-megapixel main sensor, 50-megapixel ultra-wide and telephoto lenses, and a 10-megapixel periscope lens, along with a 12-megapixel front camera. The device will offer up to 16 gigabytes of RAM, 1 terabyte of storage, one UI 7 based on Android 15, a 5,000 mAh battery, and 45 watts fast charging. A potential Galaxy S25 Ultra color has sparked debate among fans after a Samsung leaker revealed an image. While the source identified the shade as blue, another insider argued it closely resembles gray, fueling discussions as the highly anticipated Unpacked event nears. Ice Universe recently shared a post featuring the supposed blue variant of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. However, the color's appearance leans more towards gray, prompting Jukan Losrev to respond with the term gray to highlight the apparent mismatch. As of now, the original leaker has not clarified the discrepancy, leaving enthusiasts eager for further updates. A few years back, the Qi 2 wireless charging standard was introduced, incorporating Apple's MagSafe magnetic alignment system for improved convenience. Recently, reports surfaced suggesting that the Galaxy S25 might adopt Qi 2, but there might be a twist. Just days ago, a leaked list of official Galaxy S25 accessories included a magnet case, fueling speculation that the Galaxy S25 would support Qi 2 wireless charging. However, uncertainty remained about whether the phone would also feature MagSafe-like magnetic alignment through Qi 2. Now there's some clarity on the matter. The Wireless Power Consortium, WPC, which oversees the Qi standard, has confirmed, via Android Police, that any device bearing the Qi 2 logo includes the Magnetic Power Profile, MPP, a magnetic alignment feature inspired by Apple's MagSafe technology. Samsung will unveil the Galaxy S25 series on January 22nd, and a recent report indicates that the entire lineup will exclusively feature Snapdragon processors. According to ET News, the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra will all be equipped with Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chip. This aligns with recent trends, as Galaxy S devices in previous years have primarily used Snapdragon chips. Earlier speculation suggested that the Galaxy S25 Ultra would use a Snapdragon processor, while the Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S25 Plus might feature Samsung's Exynos 2500 chip. However, reports now suggest that Samsung may have opted for Snapdragon chips across all models due to production challenges with the Exynos 2500. The Galaxy S25 is anticipated to be unveiled late next month, with a teaser for Samsung's upcoming flagship phone already leaked ahead of the official announcement. Renowned leaker Evan Blass at EveLeaks has shared what appears to be Samsung's launch invite for the Galaxy S25 series. The teaser not only offers a glimpse of the phone's corners, but also confirms the Galaxy Unpacked event on January 22nd, 2025. Samsung is reportedly working on the Galaxy S25 Slim, a flagship device designed with a focus on reduced thickness. The phone is expected to feature a large display, a capable camera system, and impressive power specifications. A recent leak has hinted at the potential dimensions of the Galaxy S25 Slim. According to Ice Universe, the Galaxy S25 Slim could measure between 6mm and 7mm in thickness, making it the thinnest Samsung flagship to date. This would surpass even the Galaxy S25 set to launch next month in terms of sleekness. For comparison, the Galaxy S25 is rumored to have a 7.2mm thickness, slightly slimmer than the 7.6mm of the Galaxy S24. Leaker at Jukan Los Rey shared a tweet on X featuring Spiegen's liquid crystal case for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, along with its packaging. The case image reveals a circular pattern in the center, hinting at support for magnetic, MagSafe-style wireless charging. The box confirms this with a label stating MagFit for MagSafe. This aligns with certain rumors about the Galaxy S25 series, including claims that the new devices will lack a magnetic power profile. In preparation, Samsung is reportedly finalizing its launch strategy for the new flagship lineup and other devices this week. That's it for today, folks. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.